Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to overlay images on videos on CapCut PC as well as CapCut mobile. So first of all, I'm gonna demonstrate you how to do that on CapCut PC. Right now you can see that I'm on the editing interface of CapCut PC. Now I have imported one video and one picture. Now I'll show you how to overlay these images on that video. So first of all, you need to just drag the video onto the first timeline. Here it is. After that, you need to just drag the image over the video, that means in the second timeline. That's all. Now you can easily resize it by dragging the image from the corner. Here it is. You can place it by dragging it anywhere. And now let's play the video. Here it is. It looks great. You can also add any animation if you want. You can go to the animation section and you can easily add animation if you want. So that's how you can easily do it on CapCut PC. Now I'll show you how to do that on CapCut mobile. So at first you need to go to the CapCut application from your mobile. After that, you can see the interface of CapCut application. Now you can see a button, new project. Click on that. Now you have to select the video section. Then you have to select your desired video on which you want to overlay the image. So I'm gonna select this video. Then you have to click add from the bottom right corner. Here it is, the video has been added to the editing interface. Now you'll be able to see many functions or buttons at the bottom part like edit, audio, text, stickers and overlay. So overlay is our desired button. Click on the overlay. Then you have to click add overlay. Here it is. Now go to the photo section. As you want to add an image over the video, you can also add videos over that particular video if you want. So I'm going to add PNG image over it, like this one. Okay, then again I have to click add from the bottom right corner. Here it is. The image has been added. You have to just tap and hold to drag it anywhere you want. So I'm going to place it here. That's all. You have to just adjust the timeline length according to the video length. Here it is. You can delete the ending part. So this is how actually you can do it. In addition, you can also add animation if you want. Go to the overlay option, click on the overlay image. You can see an animation button, click on it. And there will be many animations suggested by CapCut. You have to just click any of them that you like. Let me select this one. Okay, now let's see how it looks. Here it is. This is how you can easily overlay the images over the video on CapCut PC as well as CapCut mobile. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.